I feel so grateful to have given you my younger years and commit myself to someone who loves deeply and cares undoubtedly.
Pim, lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo na hindi ako swerte, kundi pinagpala ko. Pinagpala ko na dumating ka sa buhay ko. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi pinagtagpo niya tayo.
Kinikilig naman ako, pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali. Ikaw lang ang katabi hanggang sa ang buhok.
Hindi ko man inakala noon, pero dumating ka sa buhay ko sa tamang oras.
It took us 12 years. Truly a very long journey. We've been through a lot, witnessed each other's success and failure.
Thank you, Lord, dahil nakilala kita. At dahil sa'yo, mas naging masaya, mas buo, at mas makulay ang araw-araw ko.
Ang kulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay dilaw. Di akalain mararamdaman ang iyak.
Receive this unique heart as a symbol of my love. Mamaya sa biyaya ng Diyos, asawa na kita. See you later, my answered prayer. Love Ray! My kaweng! Thank you. See you later. I love you.
To my soon-to-be mister. Kamusta ka? Sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. Keep running! Ako na rin ang finish line mo mamaya sa altar. I love you! Love, Joy. Yo! Maraming salamat, Joy, sa bagong mong gift sa akin. Sigurado, pipinish pa rin ako kasama ka sa altar mamaya.
Kaya Daryl and Princess Joy, do not be afraid to give everything to each other, sapagkat ang tunay na pagmamahal ay hindi madamot. Ang tunay na pagmamahal bigay buhos. Kaya nga sinasabi nyo sa isa't isa, I love you. Because you're telling to each other, I am giving everything, myself, my life to you. I am offering everything to you. Yan ang tunay na pag-ibig.
Ang buhok ay pumuti, di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong dahil ikaw. Ngayon nandyan ka na, ikaw lang katabi, hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumuti. Dahil ikaw, hindi na ako.
Maraming salamat kasi nagstay ka. Hindi ka umalis, hindi ka sumuko. At hindi mo ako iniwan sa mga panahong mas mahirap akong mahalin.
12 years is a long time, but being with you never gets old. I can't wait to spend forever with you because loving you has been one of the quiet constant of my life. My past, my present, and my future. You are my greatest blessing.
Ikaw ay dilaw.
Pag ready na lang ako, mag-antay kayo naiya kasi ako. Ano lang.
You're a falling star, you're a getaway car, you're a line in sand when I go to fall. You're a swimming pool on a night day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it cool, but it's kinda cute when you smile at me and know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see now when I look at you. And in these crazy
our journey, our love story began in most unexpected but very common way. What began as simpleng biruan, tuksuhan ng mga classmates,
Na para bang may nakita silang hindi pa natin kayang aminin sa sarili natin. Sa bawat biro nila, may kasamang kaba. Sa bawat tawa, may kasamang pagtataka. Kung bakit iba ang pakiramdam kapag ikaw ang kasama.
When you ring my bell, you're a mystery. You're from outer space. You're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe all that I'm your man. And I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will
My
say
love,
to you.
kinder pa lang magkakilala na tayo. At grade 1 pa lang tayo noon, crush na crush mo na ako. To the point na, sinabi mo noon, balang araw ay papakasalan mo ako. At ito na nga.
It's you. You made me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. So la 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 la. So la 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 la. And in this crazy life, and through this crazy time, it's you. You made me see your every line, your every word, your everything. Your every song, 'cause I sing along